to sit in the government yard in Trench Town. Overserving the hypocrites as they would always the good people we met. Good friends we had, oh good friends we lost along the way. In this bright future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Said, I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trench Town. And then Dorothy would build the firelight. Love would burn it through the night. And we would cook cornmeal porridge, of which I'll share with you. My feet is my only caring, so I'm not super hungry while I'm gone. Everything's gonna be alright. 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 Everything's gonna be alright.